Jesus Christ, man.
I'm sorry.
Dude, you scared the shit out of me. I thought you were just fucking around here.
Oh no.
Dude,
God.
my mind, I'd say, well, my mind was here. Fuck, I thought you were a buddy of mine sneaking behind me. You shit yourself, that's fine.
No, it's not fine. It's far from that. I had some cookout earlier, right?
Well, you know there's little practical jokes and shit like that?
Oh, yeah.
For a minute there, I thought something was decking around.
Lord, no. My stomach is messed up.
She said, I'd die for you. You're like my drug, but I can't get high off you. You're not mine.
We're gonna have to get a sample first.
Appliances, you have a phone call holding on 6100, please. Appliances, 6100.
You have to pull it down a little bit. Yeah, pull it straight up just a little bit.
Really?
You don't want the smell of it now, so you gotta.
So you gotta put it in the pipe? Yeah.
You don't ever smell your poop when you poop, do you? Watch out, buddy, you're gonna get hit.
Special assistance needed in the glass cutting area.
Not yet.
Appliances, 6100, customer assistance. Appliances, 6100, customer assistance. John,
Hey, what?
please come back to the outdoor power.
Why did I open me, man?
Oh, my bad.